Have you ever scrolled online and come across bold ads for Ereforce Male Enhancement claiming to skyrocket stamina, raise testosterone, and even improve performance in ways that sound almost too good to be true? This supplement markets itself as a natural formula with ingredients like tonkat ali, tribulus, and horny goatweed, and even highlights that it's made in an FDA-approved facility to build trust. But when you look closer, the picture isn't so clear. The product page doesn't just talk about male enhancement. It oddly mixes in claims about weight loss, blood sugar control, and energy support, which makes it feel more like a catch-all sales pitch than a focused supplement. Add to that the urgency tactics like fake discounts, countdown timers, and low stock warnings, and it's hard not to question if the focus is on results or just fast sales. While some of the ingredients have been researched individually, there's no solid clinical proof that Ereforce as a formula delivers on the bold promises they push. Reviews online are mixed. Some sound generic or copied, while others don't go into much detail, leaving it difficult to know what's genuine. So the reality is that Ereforce isn't clearly a scam, but it also doesn't have the strong evidence to fully back its claims, making it a product you'd want to approach with caution. If you're curious to check it out, the product link is tagged in this video, but before you decide, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you seen, bought, or tried Ereforce yourself? Drop your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into products that aren't always what they seem.